In today's short video, we'll understand what engine knocking is, why this happens, and how this affects engine's performance. Let's simplify it with easy examples. Engine knocking is the knocking or pinging noise you hear from the car engine during acceleration. It occurs when fuel in the engine ignites prematurely, causing uneven explosions inside the cylinders. Imagine knocking on a door gently versus hitting it hard. Uneven combustion feels like harsh knocking inside your engine. Why does engine knocking happen? Engine knocking typically happens for very few reasons. One, and very commonly, using low quality or incorrect octane fuel that ignites too early. Two, it could be engine overheating or improper cooling. Third reason might be incorrect ignition timing or spark plug issues. Think of it like baking cookies at the wrong temperature. They either burn or they remain uncooked, resulting in very poor quality. Persistent knocking can damage your engine severely, causing issues like piston or cylinder wall damage, reducing engine's life itself, and leading to costly repairs. Regular maintenance and correct fuel selection can definitely prevent this problem. And that's engine knocking explained simply. Next time you hear some unusual noises from your vehicle, remember this video and get it checked quickly. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more clear explanations.